BLACK+DECKER AdvancedClean Vacuum Cleaner. Lithium-ion battery. The BLACK+DECKER AdvancedClean features a powerful 16-volt max lithium-ion battery, delivering robust suction and extended runtime. This high-capacity battery ensures consistent performance, making it ideal for thorough cleaning sessions without frequent recharges. Cordless operation. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with this vacuum cleaner's rechargeable design. Its cordless functionality allows for easy maneuverability around your home and car, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and restrictive power outlets. Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum Cleaner.